Namaskar. A very good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you. Um, we are extremely sorry, and because we had to start this program a bit late, as we had planned to start this evening at 5:30, the session at 5:30, and because of an earlier conference, we couldn't start on time. So please kindly accept our apologies. So Global Oneness Global Festival of Oneness 2020 is being celebrated by the Advaita Academy, which is a platform promoted by Indic Academy for disseminating the wisdom of Vedanta by sages, scholars, and seekers from all sampradayas, and also by the teachers who acknowledge the source of their teachings to our Vedic scriptures. Over the last 9 years, Advaita Academy has emerged as the largest video platform dedicated to the dissemination of Advaita, having more than 10,000 videos from 50 gurus, acharyas, and vidwans. This year, Shankara Jayanti has been celebrated as Global Festival of Oneness 2020 through a series of online talks and performances. As humanity is currently going through one of its toughest crises, now more than ever, Shankara's teachings of oneness are relevant and much needed in these times of heightened uncertainty and anxiety. Through this month long festival, we hope to bring to the world a sense of unity, empowerment, and interdependence between people, nature, and the whole planet. So, as you know, we have two sessions, one in the morning and the evening. And today evening, we are so glad to have one of the wonderful singer, Sri Vivek Sadasivam. Vivek Sadasivam is a Carnatic singer hailing from the direct Shishya Parampara of Nada Jyoti Muthuswami Dikshitar. His initial training into Carnatic music came from his grandfather, Vidwan A. Anantaraman Iyer, and grand aunt, Vidushi A. Champakavalli. His training continued under his father, Vidwan A. Sadasivam, and for the last 15 years, he has been under the tutelage of Vidwan Rudrapatnam Tyagarajan. In addition, he has been under the able guidance of Vidwan Sanjay Subramanian and Dr. L. Subramaniam since 2015. An A-grade artist of All India Radio and Doordarshan, an empaneled artist of the ICCR, Vivek has been recipient of several prestigious awards and honors, including Dr. M.S. Subbulakshmi Fellowship Award from Shanmukhananda Fine Arts, Mumbai, Best Individual Performance and the Best Concert Awards from the Music Academy, Madras, Maharajapuram Santanam Endowment Prize from Sri Krishna Gana Sabha, and he has conferred a title Nada Kishora from Nada Brahma Sangeeta Sabha, Mysore, and title Pratibha Kankshi from Sri Ramaseva Mandali, Bangalore. He has performed widely in India and abroad. He represented the country at the World Youth Festival in Russia in 2018. He holds a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from NIT Surathkal and is currently working with Subramaniam Academy of Performing Arts as head of special projects in an effort to propagate music learning in schools. So here we welcome Sri Vivek Sadasivam.
Namaste. Thank you very much, Rekha ji, for this wonderful introduction. So, before I start off on my topic, I'd firstly like to thank and commend the Advaita Academy for doing such a wonderful job with the Oneness Festival, the Global Oneness Festival 2020, at a time like this. And I think it's very, very important to do something like this and keep hope and cheer amongst people as well as knowledge. So for me, I'd like to start off by saying a little bit about what I thought about Advaita. Of course, it's a school of spiritual philosophy originating from Lord Shiva, and it preaches non-duality, as you all know, um, saying that there is just one soul in every being, everything around us. It's not divided. It's all one. And in the human form, of course, the first person to have preached this philosophy was Adi Shankara, and that is why he assumes such importance for the propagation of this philosophy, the Advaita Vedanta. Um, so, also in every Bharatiya school, of philosophy, the Guru Shishya Parampara is very, very important. And this, only because of the parampara is it possible to, for the lineage to continue, for anything to continue and propagate. And in this case, we have seen that, Lord Shiva begins, and the first human form being Adi Shankara, and then his disciples, and so on and on. So there's a very wonderful uh, shloka written about this. Um, and so I'd like to start off by just reciting that. Sada Shiva Samarambha Sada Shiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Sada Shiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam अस्मत् आचार्य पर्यन्ता अस्मत् आचार्य पर्यन्ता वन्दे गुरु परंपरा वन्दे गुरु परंपरां वन्दे गुरु परंपरां So I'd like to continue this with another shloka or a verse written on the life of the Guru of Adi Shankara. And this in one shloka encapsulates his journey, his entire journey in life. Aryamba Jathare Janihi Aryamba Jathare Janihi Dvijasati Daridya Nirmulanam Aryamba Jathare Janihi Dvijasati Daridya Nirmulanam Sanyasashrayanam Sanyasashrayanam Guru Basadanam Shri Mandanader Jaya Sishyo Gagrahanam Shishyo Gagrahanam Subhashya Rachanam Shishyo Gagrahanam Subhashya Rachanam Sarvagnya Peethashrayah Sarvagnya पीठाश्रयः पीठानां रचनेदि संग्रहमयी पीठानां रचनेदि संग्रहमयी सैषा कथा शाङ्करी सैषा कथा शाङ्करी सैषा कथा शाङ्करी So this was a shloka about the life, the entire life of Sri Adi Shankara, starting from this being the son of Aryamba, to how he took up sannyasa, to how he set up different pithas, to how his discourses went on, his bhashyams, and So in a small shloka, it's been able to capture what he did to an extent. There has also been, of course, many fantastic verses he's written, many shlokas he has written. And one of them, and the most popular one, I would say, is Mudakarata Modakam. This is also, it has been popularized in a form of music by Bharatratna Dr. M.S. Subbalakshmi. And this is another fantastic composition, which is a Ganesha Pancharatnam, and something that I'd like to sing next. At a time when we are looking for a remover of obstacles, I think this would be very useful for all of us. Mudakarat modakam मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्ति साधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्ति साधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासि लोकरक्षकं अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते वदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरातिभीकरं न वोदितार्कभास्वरं नमस्सुरारिनिर्जरं न ताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनार्थिमार्जनम् अकिञ्चनार्थिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिं मन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्दहीनमन्तराय कृतरं नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिं मन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्दहीनमन्तराय कृतरं हृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् निरन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् महागणेश पञ्चरत्नम् महागणेश पञ्चरत्नम् आदरेण योऽन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरं महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योऽन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात् समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात् अभ्युपैति सोचिरात् अभ्युपैति सोचिरात्. So with this, I'd like to mention that over a period of time, a lot of composers, a lot of philosophers have echoed this thought of Vedanta, have taken it forward. A lot of composers musically have also composed songs on Shankara, songs relating to the Advaita Vedanta. And in this connection, Muthuswami Dikshitar, who was born in 1775, he had a lot of songs with connection to the Advaitic elements. Being a Srividya Upasakar himself, he was able to weave these songs so beautifully with the lyric, the rhythm, and also to bring in the Advaita Vedanta and the Tantras and all of this so beautifully all together. So he's a much celebrated composer today. He has made some beautiful compositions, one of which I'd like to bring to your notice is, of course, the first song that he made was Srinatha Adi Guru Guho Jayati. Here he refers to Srinatha as Lord Shiva, and who's the first guru, So as he goes on in the Pallavi, he also says Chidananda Nathoham, which is a realization of the Advaitic form, I am consciousness and bliss. And it is also a reference to Chidanandana, the yogi, who gave him the Diksha. So here I'd like to demonstrate to you how that comes in that Kriti. Srinathadi Guru Guho. Srinathadi Guru Guho Jayati Jayati Shri Nathadi Guru Guho Jayati Jayati Shri Nathadi Guru Guho Jayati Jayati Shri Chidanandanathoham इति सन्ततं हृदि निभज श्री चिदानन्दनाथोऽहमिति सन्ततं हृदि निभज श्रीनाथादि गुरु गुहो. Of course, there are many more things to explore in this song itself, but I'd like to move on to another interesting song. This is where he, to Dikshidhar, Devi, represented the non-dual absolute of the Vedanta. So, Devi as a supreme Brahman of the Advaita Vedanta. Saraswati Manohari Shankari Sadanandalahari Gauri. Saraswati Manohari Shankari Sadanandalahari Gauri. I'll quickly skip over to the Charanam. अकाराद्याक्षर स्वरूपिणि अंतकरण रूपेक्षु चापिनि. अकाराद्याक्षर स्वरूपिणि अंतकरण रूपेक्षु चापिनि. प्रकाश परमाद्वैत रूपिणी. प्रकाश परमाद्वैत रूपिणी परे त्रिपुर सुंदरी तापिनी. प्रकाश परमाद्वैत रूपिणी परे त्रिपुर सुंदरी तापिनी. And the composition proceeds from there. Here I'd like to draw your interest to Prakasha Paramadvaita Rupini, where he sees Devi as the non-dual absolute. So Dikshidhar has, these are just a couple of examples involving Shiva and Shakti. Dikshidhar has composed many such songs. Some are popular, which has a lot of meaning, with Dakshinamurti in Shankarabharanam, also aptly composed in that raga. He has also composed Anand Natana Prakasham and many songs which have a lot of Advaitic uh, concepts beautifully entwined in them. After this, Subramaniam Dikshidhar has also composed a very popular song now. It's called Shankaracharyam in the raga Shankarabharanam again. And this composition is on Adi Shankara himself. So this is another very popular song. And also forgot to mention that Dikshidhar has also composed in the Guru Guha series several songs, Sri Guruna being one of them in Padi, and many songs are on Guru. So that connection he has established very well. And moving on, there have been also some more recent composers in the 19th century. We had Sri Mahavaidyanath Iyer. He composed a song which is now sung fairly often. It's called Sri Shankara Guruvaram. And this is a song on Adi Shankara, and I'd like to sing that for you. Na, 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 Shri Shankara Guruvaram चिन्तयामि भवहरं श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरं चिन्तयामि भवहरं श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरं चिन्तयामि भवहरं श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरं चिन्तयामि भवहरं श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरं चिन्तयामि भवहरं श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरम् सशङ्करधिपति बाणो सशङ्करधिपति बाणं जालदूलकलनलं सशङ्करधिपति बाणं जालतूलकलनलं गमपदपमगमपमगसगपमगसगस दसगसगमगसपमगसपमगसदपमगसगग गमपदपमगमपमगसगपमगसगस मगसपमगसदपमगसगमपदपमगमपमगसगपमगसगस दसगसगमगसपमगसदपमगसगमपदसगमपसगमगसगदसगदसपदसदपदपमगसगमपद श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरम् गमपदपमगमपमगसगपमगसगस दसगसगमगसपमगसदपमगसगमपदसगमपदसगमपदसगमपद श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरं चिन्तयामि भवहरं श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरम् अज्ञान तिमिरकरणिं अङ्गीकृत श्रुतिसरणिम् अज्ञान तिमिरधरणिम् अङ्गीकृत श्रुतिसरणिं सुज्ञान सुखकरणिम् सुज्ञान सुखकरणिं सूक्ष्म प्रणवरणिं सुज्ञान सुखकरणिं सूक्ष्म प्रणवरणिं गमपदपमगमपमगसगपमगसगस दसगसगमगसपमगसदपमग गमपगमपदपमपदसदपमगमपदसगमप सगमगसगदसगसदसपदसदपदपमगसगमपद श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरं चिन्तयामि भवहरं श्रीशङ्कर गुरुवरम् Next, I'd like to sing another contemporary musician's composition on Shankaracharya. This is a little less heard, so I thought I would sing it. It is a composition in the raga Vasanta in Adi Talam, and this is a composition of Sri Chittur Sri Subramaniam. Na 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 la na 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 nadara सद्गुरुनाथं शङ्कराचार्यं सद्गुरुनाथं शङ्कराचार्यं नमामि मनसा शिरसा सततं सद्गुरुनाथं शङ्कराचार्यं नमामि मनसा शिरसा सततं सद्गुरुनाथं शङ्कराचार्यम् अद्वैत आनन्दतत्त्वस्वरूपम् अद्वैत आनन्दतत्त्वस्वरूपम् अद्वैत आनन्दतत्त्वस्वरूपम् अखिलभृत्य जनैः सम्पूजितम् अखिलभृत्य जनैर्सम्पूजितं सद्गुरु नाथं शङ्कराचार्यं नमामि मनसा शिरसा सततं सद्गुरुनाथं शङ्कराचार्यम् भगवन्नाम संकीर्तनलोलं भगवन्नाम संकीर्तनलोलं भज गोविन्दमिति गानरचयितारं भगवन्नाम संकीर्तनलोलं भज गोविन्दमिति गानरचयितारं षण्मथ स्थापकं सजनपोषकं षण्मथ स्थापकं सजनपोषकं दासहृदये सदा निवसन्तं षण्मथ स्थापकं सज्जनपोषकं दासहृदये सदा निवसन्तम् दासनिगसे सदा निवसन्तं सद्गुरुनाथं शङ्कराचार्यं नमामि मनसा शिरसा सततं सद्गुरुनाथं शङ्कराचार्यम् Here there is mention of his composition Bhaja Govindam. As everyone is aware, he has made a lot of, Adi Shankara has made a lot of shlokas, composition texts, verses, and Bhaja Govindam is, of course, one of the most popular ones. The other ones, a few of them are the Meenakshi Pancharatnam, the Shivananda Lahari, the Ganesha Pancharatnam that I sang earlier, the Annapurnashtakam. There's also this Saundarya Lahari, of course, which has been beautifully written. And here I'd like to present one verse from the Saundarya Lahari. Sudha Sindhor Madhye Sudha Sindhor Madhye Suravitapi Vati Parivrite Sudha Sindhor Madhye Suravitapi Vati Parivrite मणिद्वीपे नीपोपवनवती चिन्तामणिगृहे मणिद्वीपे नीपोपवनवती चिन्तामणिगृहे मणिद्वीपे नीपोपवनवती चिन्तामणिगृहे मणिद्वीपे नीपोपवनवती चिन्तामणिगृहे शिवाकारे परमशिव पर्यङ्कनिलयाम् शिवाकारे मल्चे परमशिव पर्यङ्कनिलयाम् भजन्ति त्वाम् भजन्ति त्वां धन्याः कतिचन चिदानन्दलहरी भजन्ति त्वां धन्याः कतिचन चिदानन्दलहरी चिदानन्दलहरी There is so much to explore in his compositions and compositions about him. But here I'd like to conclude this presentation with one composition of Jagadguru Sri Chandrasekhara Saraswati. And it's a very popular composition. You all know it. If you'd like, please sing along. And I thought it was very apt for this time, especially because this is a time when we all need to support each other. This is exactly what the song tells us, how we should live together, how we should help each other, how we should respect nature. And this calls for peace and oneness. And I hope that we will all be able to carry a little bit of this into our worlds and into our daily lives. Again, I'd like to thank the Oneness Festival Advaita Academy for giving me this opportunity to perform and for giving me this opportunity to learn, actually go a little bit deeper into more unexplored territory and learn a little bit whatever I could. So I'd like to conclude with Maitreem Bhajata. Maitreem Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim Maitreem Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim Maitreem Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata Yuddham Tyajata Spardham Tyajata Yuddham Tyajata Spardham Tyajata Tyajata Pareshwa Kramamakramanam Tyajata Pareshwa Kramamakramanam Maitreem Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim Maitreem Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim. जननी पृथ्वी कामदुःखास्ते जननी पृथ्वी कामदुःखास्ते जननी पृथ्वी कामदुःखास्ते जनको प्रेम सकल दयाळो जनको प्रेम सकल दयाळो दाम्यत दत्त दयध्वं जनता दाम्यत दत्त दयध्वं जनता श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां। Namaste.
Thank you so much, Sri Vivek. It was really wonderful the way you described each kriti and so neatly, explained. And it was really wonderful. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. That's a wonderful way to conclude the recital as well. Thank you so much, Sri Vivek. And we also appreciate that you really had to, we appreciate your support and cooperate because the program had to be kind of rescheduled and delayed by an hour. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
And thank you, dear audience. You have joined us from different parts of the world to be with us, and we will continue with the next program. Thank you so much, and namaskar.